Selling online courses is a great way to start monetizing your experience and to grow your audience with educational content. In this video, I'll show you how to launch your first online course and start earning immediately from the platform. To launch online courses and digital products, head to memberships on the left-hand side. From here, you can navigate to courses in the top toolbar. Then navigate to products. From here, you can create your first product by clicking Create Product from scratch. Click Start Building on any 4 of these depending on what type of course you would like to sell. Then give it a name and click Create Product. Within a product, we can see a pre-built structure which will change depending on which type of template you chose. The darker gray sections are to symbolize categories like training, additional content, and resources, and then the content underneath each one of these sections is a lesson. To upload your content, click on any of the lessons, and then modify all of the information on this screen for each one of your lessons. Here, you can include lots of different types of lessons, including uploaded videos, audios, and even files by clicking Attach Files in the bottom right-hand side. You can modify your title here, and you can move your lessons between categories here. Be sure to modify your description and upload an image on the right-hand side for your thumbnail. When you're satisfied with any of your lessons, you can always preview them by clicking Preview. Previewing in admin mode gives you the ability to look at things like the titles, the thumbnails, and the layout of your course. When you've modified each one of your lessons, click back to Product, and then customize any other details through either the Detail screen, which will allow you to adjust things like your title, descriptions, and product thumbnails, your Customization screen, which will allow you to select between various product layouts such as Classic, New York, New, and Neoclassic, and you can customize each of these versions by simply clicking Customize. On this screen, you can adjust things like your theme settings, which will allow you to adjust fonts, colors, and backgrounds, or you can adjust sections individually, such as the header, lesson body, course navigation, and your instructor widget. Be sure to take some time to go through each one of these sections to really customize your course and give your customers the best experience possible. When you're done, you can preview by clicking Preview, you can apply your theme by clicking Apply Theme, and save it by clicking Save. Lastly, you have the option to sell this product by navigating under Courses to Offers, and then creating an offer with that product that we just created. Give your offer a title, select your product, select your price, and then click Create. Then you can publish your offer by clicking Publish and Save, and get a custom link by clicking Get Link and copying the link below in order to sell your offer. Here's that link with our membership product where we can sell our product for the price that we determined and collect our customers' information. This standalone system makes it really easy for us to launch our first online course and start earning in just a few minutes. In future videos, we'll talk about other ways we can start collecting payments and selling our products online. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.